Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Technical Tutorials. So in this video we will see how to install latest version of PHP in Windows 11 operating system, as well as we will try to run a simple PHP code on that. So let's start. First, to download and install latest version of PHP, open your favorite browser and search for PHP download. Then you will get the first link. On that, just click. Now here in downloads you can get the current stable version and the old versions as well as. So from that we are going to install it for the Windows, and the current stable version we are going to install. So just click on Windows download. So here we have the non-thread safe version and thread safe version for the PHP. So we are going to install it for the thread safe version. So let's click on this zip to download it. So the size of the file is 30 MB. So our downloading is started. Let's wait till download is complete. Then we will see how to install it. It successfully. Let's open it to install. So this is the zip file. We need to extract this file. So select that file, right click and then click on extract all. So I am going to extract it on desktop. So click on browse button, then select desktop. In desktop I will create one folder that. So I'm going to create folder as PHP. Then we have the version 8.3.4. So this is the file, and I'm going to extract all the files in that folder. So I'll just select that one and select folder. So this is the path. Then click on extract button. So it will start extracting. Let's just close this all files. So we have extract the document. Let's open it once. So these are the all files from that document. Now just select this folder and cut it. Now we have to paste this folder in our C drive. So go to your this PC, then select your drive and just paste that folder here. So we can see the PHP folder is pasted. Then open the folder. Now we have to set the environment variable path. For that, open that folder. So my location is in C drive. I have this PHP folder. I just copy this path. Now go to start and search for environment variable. Then open this. Now here we have to set the path. So in user variable we have the option for path. So in this we need to add that path. So click on edit. Now here we have to add the new path. So click on new button and just paste your path here. Now click on OK. OK. So we have set the environment variable path. Let's check PHP is installed successfully or not. For that, open your command prompt and search for PHP hyphen hyphen version. So you can see we have installed PHP successfully.